Hello boss, now introduce our wireless charger with speaker. Firstly, introduce the multifunction points. As for the speaker, it has 3 modes to play music: wireless, AUX play, USB play directly. Okay. Connect with Bluetooth to play music. Wireless speaker.
Connection.
Okay, connect fast. Let me play music. Let you feel the sound quality. Okay. And on the left button can control the volume to turn around.
Without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again.
On the right button, you can cut over the sounds, like sound, not sound. Yes. And on the back, have a LED mode. You can control the LED light. Now press yes to activate the LED light. And for the clock, it can automatically to adjust the local time where you connect Bluetooth your iPhone. So it's very convenient. And on the top, this area have a wireless charging function. Okay, charging now, very fast. With strong magnetic, so when you put your iPhone with the magnetic function, it won't fall down when you turn around the speaker. Very strong. You see? And here is the speaker. I like this design because it's very convenient to control your music, control the volume you want. So you can charging your iPhone. So you can charge your iPhone and wireless charging and listen your music at the same time. Very convenient. Your phone not ever power off when listen music, right?